of history's shame, up from a past that's rooted in pain. I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling. I bear in the tide. We will rise. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear into a daybreak that is wondrously clear. Bringing the gifts that our ancestors gave. We are the dream and hope of the slave. We will rise, we will rise, we will rise. Does my confidence offend you? Well, prepare to be surprised. In the coming years, you will see this city and you won't believe your eyes. Because I'm telling you, Newark, New Jersey, we will rise, we will rise, we will rise.